Alright, let's talk about something every driver hears at one point or another: noise from the power steering. Now, not every little whine or groan under the hood means your car's falling apart. Some sounds are just the pump doing its job, while others are a cry for help. Since us old-timers have been around more steering systems than we can count, let's walk you through what's normal, what's not, and how to know when it's time to worry. But let's start with basics. What the power steering pump does: the power steering pump is basically the muscle that pushes fluid through the system so you can turn the wheel without feeling like you're wrestling a bear. Without it, especially in a heavier car or truck, you'd need arms like a lumberjack just to park the thing. The pump builds pressure, sends it through hoses, and helps the steering rack or gearbox assist your turning. So when you hear a sound from that pump, it's usually telling you something about the fluid, the pressure, or the condition of the parts inside. Normal pump noises. Now here's the thing: no power steering system is completely silent. Even brand new pumps have a little hum or faint whine when you crank the wheel all the way to one side. That's normal. A light humming sound, especially when parking or making slow, sharp turns, is just the pump pushing fluid under higher pressure. If it's faint and doesn't change much, don't lose sleep over it. Cold mornings can make the pump a little noisier too. Thick fluid on a cold start can cause a short groan until things warm up. Once the fluid heats up and thins out, the noise should calm down. So, if it's a soft background sound or a short-lived groan in the cold, you're in the clear. Noises that aren't normal. Alright, here's where you need to pay attention. A loud whining, squealing, or grinding noise isn't normal. If you hear a constant high-pitched whine whenever you turn the wheel, that often means the pump is starved for fluid. Low fluid levels usually come from a leak in the system, like a hose seeping or the rack leaking. Grinding or growling sounds are even worse. That's usually metal parts inside the pump wearing out because they're running dry or the fluid's full of debris. If you keep driving like that, you'll be shopping for a new pump before long. Another bad sign is if the noise comes with harder steering. If the wheel feels stiff, jerky, or heavier than normal while the pump's making noise, that's the system telling you it's struggling. Long story short, loud, constant, or rough noises are the red flags you don't ignore. Common causes of bad noises. We've seen the same culprits again and again in the shop. Low fluid is at the top of the list. A pump without enough fluid is like running an engine without oil. It just won't last. Air bubbles in the fluid can also make the pump noisy. That happens if the system was recently serviced and not bled properly, or if a leak is sucking in air. Old, dirty fluid is another. Power steering fluid breaks down over time, picking up dirt and metal shavings. A pump working with dirty fluid is like chewing rocks with your teeth. It ain't gonna end well. Lastly, worn-out pumps themselves. If the bearings or vanes inside the pump are shot, no amount of fresh fluid will quiet them down. At that point, it's replacement time. What to do about it? If you hear a noise and you're not sure, the first step is always the same: pop the hood and check the fluid. If it's low, top it up with the correct type for your car and look for leaks. Don't just fill it and forget it, because low fluid means it went somewhere. If the fluid looks dark or burnt, a flush might be in order. Fresh fluid can do wonders for quieting down a tired system. If the noise sticks around even with the right fluid level and clean fluid, the pump itself might be worn. At that point, replacement is usually the fix. Sometimes hoses or the steering rack are the real culprits, so it's worth getting a mechanic's eye on it if you're not sure. Remember, ignoring pump noise only makes things worse. Catch it early and it might be a cheap fluid top-off. Wait too long, and you'll be paying for a new pump and maybe even a rack. So here's the bottom line. A little hum or groan from your power steering pump can be normal, especially on cold mornings or when you're cranking the wheel hard. But loud whining, grinding, or noises that stick around with stiff steering aren't normal. Those sounds usually point to low fluid, air in the system, dirty fluid, or a pump that's on its last legs. Take care of your pump the way you take care of your own back. It's what helps you steer smooth and easy. Listen to the noises, act early, and you'll keep your steering system working like it should instead of fighting you at every turn.